Hello guys, so today's vlog, join me as I put this new DJI Action 5 Pro to a test and let's see if this is good for vlogging in 2024 or one of the best option for a camera vlogging in 2024. So without further ado, but again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. Hello guys, so I will give you 10 reasons why the DJI Action 5 Pro is good enough to use for vlogging. Again, I will give you a 10 reason. So, reason number 1 guys, the touchscreen. Front touchscreen LCD. So, we know if you are in the vlogging mode, you need to see if you are in the frame or not in the frame. So, at least you have a front touchscreen LCD. You will know that you are in the frame or you are perfect framing or you are in the recording mode. So, reason number 2, the standard recording, which is already 4K or through Ultra HD, which is 3840 by 2880 in 100 to 120 frames. While Ultra HD, you can record also 24, 30, 25, 30, 48, and 50 and 60 frames. So, yan. Reason number 2 is your recording, the 4K recording. You have 4K 120 or you have bunch of option, 24, 25, 30, 60. Yan. Reason number 3 is the Super Night. Yan. Super Night guys, you can record Super Night in, you have option for the Super Night, which can record 4K over or 4K or Ultra HD 16 by 9, which is 3840 by 2160, 24, 25, and 30 frames. Transmitter, and this is the quality of the video and the audio with the Super Night mode. Reason number 4, the subject tracking. You have already subject tracking on this camera, guys. Subject tracking, it's similar with the auto framing, something like that in Sony ZV-E1. It's subject tracking. So just point the subject and it will track. So whatever he will go point by point A to point B, the subject can track on this camera. So it's good also for vlogging. While for some example, for if you are vlogging in the tripod mode, so you are walking around to your camera and presenting something, so the active track or the subject tracking is very helpful on that kind of vlog or video. So yan guys, reason number 5 is the slow motion. You have already slow motion 4K 120 frames, slow-mo. So it's also good to consider and adds to your B-roll shots while slow motion. So yeah. Reason number 6 is the stabilization. You have already Rocksteady 3.0, Rocksteady 3.0 Plus, horizontal balancing, horizontal steady on this camera. Reason number 7 is the built-in storage. So if you forgot somehow your memory card, at least still you have 47 GB internal memory card. So still you can record for at least 40 minutes. Depends on recording, your recording, Full HD or 4K. Reason number 8, it's compatible with DJI Mic2. So if you have the transmitter or the microphone from DJI Mic2, or if you have already DJI Mic2, either combo or single or only just a transmitter, still you can use fully compatible without using the receiver. So just pair. If you want to check how to pair, guys, I have the previous video how to pair the DJI Mic2 to the DJI Action 5 Pro. So again, reason number 8 is the compatibility of the DJI Mic2. So you can use clear audio for your wireless microphone DJI Mic2. And reason number 9 is the battery. You have already 249 minutes while recording in room temperature of 25 degrees Celsius while recording in 1080, 25 frames, and 16 by 9 aspect ratio video with Rocksteady on, Wi-Fi off, and screen off. And the last reason is the weight. This is only a 146 grams and it's very compact. So if you are travel vlogger, you can use one of these DJI Action 5 Pro, or you can use a main camera or your secondary camera. Again, this is the DJI Action 5 Pro. So yan. I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of this product, you can visit our website, www.abworld.com. Or if you want to check all the DJI product that we have here, again, check to our website, www.abworld.com. So yan, hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you and mabuhay.